Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Instagram name font. If you're using Instagram and you want to change font of your name on Instagram, so let's see how can you do that. You have simply open your Instagram app, then tap your profile option here, and then you can see this Instagram name. Now I'm going to change its font. Now to do that, you have to very first go back, open your browser here, or you can also do this using any third-party app. But I'm going to use the website here. Go for search, and you have to simply search for font style, or you can also look for font generator. Simply search for anything, and you will get different websites here. Now, for example, I'm going to select the first one, and here you have to add your text or your name. So, for example, I'm going to add any text here. Once I've added your text, just tap on done option, and you will get different fonts with for your text. Once you have got the font, you just have to select anyone from here. For example, I'm going to select this one. Once I've selected, just tap on that and it will be copied. You can see that text has been copied. Now go back from here, open your Instagram app, tap on your profile option, tap on edit profile, and here tap on name. And if you have connected your Instagram account with your Facebook account, so you have to change your Facebook account name to change your Instagram account name. Now to do that, you have to log in with your Facebook account. And once you have logged in with your account, you will get a this type page. You just have to select name from here, and you have to tap on name, and you have to enter your copied name here. And once you have entered your name will be successfully changed. But there's an issue. Once you have changed your name, you will be unable to change your name up to almost 60 days. So you just have to wait for 60 days. You can see I have just changed my name. Now I am unable to change my name here. So once I have changed your name, it will be automatically change your name on your Instagram app or for your Instagram profile. So in this way, you can easily change name or font in your Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.